In this video, you will learn how to make your screens now that you have your printouts. So the first thing you need to do is coat 2 screens and let them dry. You remember that you're going to take each print, meaning one of the background and one of the foreground, and expose those. Before you do that though, I suggest to put tape to define which is the background and foreground, which you'll notice that I've done. Once I've exposed the screens, make sure to wash it out as you always do. Sometimes it's hard to see because the halftones are really, really fine. Don't worry, it's there. Remember to expose it if it's at paper, or the screens if it's at paper, at 90 seconds. Once it's dry, post-expose. Here is showing the printouts and the screen, and you can see the differences between the two. It's a really good guide for you to look at. Once the screens are dry, you are now ready to go through the whole process of printing. You're going to mix your ink. It doesn't matter what colors, as long as you've chosen the color aid, and you're going to tear paper and print. Have a good time.